Hello friends, in this video we will set up our Apache server for API core or for Salient core, that is for api.pricemenu.in. So first of all, we have already pointed out our domain to our current IP, which is so if I ping api.pricemenu.in, this is pointing to my current server. This is the current IP. Next, I need to install Apache since we have already installed Apache in our previous step. So we can still install Apache. My Apache is up. So what I have done, so here is a small snippet. So we can see install Python 3 pip. So we need to install Python 3 pip, Apache 2 and all of these things. Let's run these command. So seems like everything is already installed. So now what I need to do is I need to enable my mod Whiskey. Module WSGI is already enabled. So Whiskey is the module which is being required by Apache in order to serve our Django application. So next step is I need to edit my virtual host file. So what I do is I am simply copying these command and here I am supposed to so here I have pasted all these commands. Let's go through these. What are these? So server name, it is pointing to api.pricemenu.in. This is the document root of my Salient core. Error log file, custom log file is a part to my static folder. And here I need to see I have set up a WSGI Whiskey domain daemon. I have given name to Salient. In Python path, you need to add the root folder path of your root folder, and in Python home, you need to set the root folder of the env. And here I have given the path of Whiskey, which is uwhiskey/init.py. So these are the settings which I required. So let's save this. So as a next step, what I need to do is I need to restart my Apache. I can see also I have made a modification. What modification I have made? So here what I have done is I have created .env file where I have defined all the local variables, OS environment variables which are being required at the time of running the application. So I have created all .env file and I have saved all these variable. You will find these file as .env. After creating this file, I have made changes to Salient settings.py file. Here I have added this particular small code. You will find it over here in the resource section. So if I go and see modify settings file, I have added this small snippet just above, add these below just above this function. So this is my function. So I have added this snippet. The reason of adding this snippet is that generally as per Salient requirement, you need to add all the OS environment as a OS. But since at the time of Apache boot, when Apache run, these variables were not available to Apache. So what I have done, I have written a small snippet where on every load, what will happen? This snippet will parse my .env file located at the root folder and set it as a os.environ variable, so that whenever we need all those information, it is available. So let's restart Apache. And let's verify if my domain is working or not. So I am getting some error. Let's see what the error is. Oops, my bad. Yeah. So my Django is working via Apache. If I go to GraphQL main, this is not working. Why it is giving me 404 is because I am running it as a debug equal to false. So if I change my environment variable to debug equal to true, so whenever I change anything in .env, I need to restart Apache so that those environment variables can be repopulated again. And now I refresh the page and this is available to me. So we were successfully able to serve Django application via Apache. We can also set up SSL on api.pricemenu.in using Let's Encrypt. Thank you.